Ederlyn here. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the portfolio that I have presented during our institutional assessment in Events Management Services NC3. So this is not the portfolio that I have presented during the national assessment because in the national assessment, we are instructed to pick one event and edit on the spot. So let's start. So Events Management Services NC3 portfolio prepared by Adeline NTBGAR. So this is the logo and this is the name of my company. Ayan. Golden Crown Events and Catering Services, where every event feels royal. So we have here first the company profile. So company name, Golden Crown Events and Catering Services. And our tagline is where every event feels royal. We also have here our company logo. So the logo description is actually important. So dapat ninyong ilagay yan kung gumagawa kayo ng ganito. So the Golden Crown Events and Catering Services logo represents luxury, celebration, and premium hospitality, featuring a majestic golden crown, elegant script typography, and gourmet catering elements. The design reflects excellence in event planning and high-quality catering. The gold color palette symbolizes sophistication, success, and unforgettable celebration. So we also have here our company description and history. So kung gagawa kayo ng portfolio, ayan, mas okay kung maglalagay kayo ng ano lang siya, parang brief lang para hindi naman masyadong mahaba kapag nag-present kayo sa may mismong assessment. So don't forget the mission and vision, of course, the company location, and the contact information. So ilagay niyo din, of course, yung products and services ninyo. So we have here the corporate events, personal events, and of course, leisure events. And organizational structure, ayan. Of course, my name, Ederlyn Tibigar, the owner and event head. So dito, sa mga parang team members mo, okay lang naman kahit na mag-download ka na lang ng pictures and of course, gumawa ka na lang ng mga names, ayan. And company supplier, ayan, download na lang din kayo sa Google ng mga company suppliers ninyo. Ayan. And sponsorships. Ayan. So, important din to. Kailangan din ilagay nyo to, yung license compliance. Ayan. You need to have your DTI, of course, Office of the Municipal Mayor, business permit, ayan, and Municipal Health Office, the sanitary permit, and of course, the BIR, Kinemberut. Ayan. And here is the sample of proposal letter. Ayan, so, ano na lang, post nyo na lang, take screenshot para meron kayong idea. Okay, so, we also have here company rules and regulations. Ito kahit nawala na to, pero inad ko pa din siya. Ayan. And ito yung isa sa importante na ipakita ninyo sa assessor ninyo. Ayan. You need to have the event brief. So, sa event brief, nakalagay yung details ng event. So, what, where, when, the time, and who. Of course, you need to have your objective. And ayan, event concept, guest profile, the type of entry, and the number of guests. And we also have here the event timeline and in implementation. So, ito yung parang event planning, no? Kung kailan kayo nag-start na mag-meeting with the client, kung ano na yung naging progress, kung kailan kayo bibisita sa, tag dito sa mga venues, kung kailan kayo magsasign ng contracts, ayan, dapat nakalagay dito lahat. Ayan. So, ito rin, important din to. Dapat meron kayong event program. Ito yung mismong activity doon sa may mismong event ninyo. So, ang event ko dito is 18th birthday celebration. So, mag-start siya ng 5 p.m. until 9 p.m. Ayan. So, the vicinity. Ayan. Nag-download lang ako ng picture ng events place dito sa Plaridel. Ayan. So, venue and decoration, pwede kayong mag-download sa Google ng ano ninyo, parang sample na pictures ng indoor and outdoor concept. Ayan. So, this is the sample invitation. This one, inedit ko lang sa, sa Google or pwede kayong mag-chat GPT to get parang sample invitations. Pwede naman yon. and then the sample gown. So, ang concept kasi nito is parang ano siya, red and black enchanted. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. And then we also have the food and beverage menu. So dito sa may food and beverage menu natin, parang dito ko inano yung ano, yung pricing. Parang meron kasi akong mas mahal na package and meron din ako na mas mura na package. So yung sa Grand Royal, yung mas mahal, yung sa The Majestic is yung medyo mas mababa yung presyo. And of course, dapat magkaiba rin yung nakalagay na mga pagkain, ganyan. Ayan. So, dapat meron din kayong budget proposal, ganito siya, and then ganito, ayan. And then we also have the revenue expenditure, ayan, projection of income. Actually, ito hindi naman na siya kailangan, pero nilagay ko pa din para complete. And then we also have here the floor plan. Ito importante rin 'to, dapat meron kayong floor plan. And then we also have the list of possible risk and then the event checklist. Of course, ito yung, planning for incidents and emergencies. Ito kailangan natin 'to. And of course, the most important, SWOT analysis. Ayan, strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Ito hahanapin 'to ng assessor ninyo. And we also have the action plan and then sample letter to sponsor. Ayan. So this is letter to sponsor. We also have here the letter to supplier and then the MOA or the memorandum of agreement and then contract for supplier, contract for the venue and then sponsorship agreement. Actually, yung mga ano na 'to, yung mga contracts na yan kahit na isang sample lang yung ibigay ninyo, okey lang. Maarte lang talaga ako, so kumpletong-kumpleto. So, eto yung sample ng, parang complete details ng, portfolio for events management services and C3. So yun lang, bye.